It is the beginning of the month, and we all know that I love the beginning of the month because it's market report time. So I took a deep dive over the weekend into the entire MLS and some of the stats that we continually look at every month. And so far, again, we continue to be down in total sales. Closed sales down 27% for the month of May and down 26% year to date. Pending sales is up 32%, which is huge, which I believe will help us going into June. Year to date, it's still down by 10%. So May is up significantly, but not enough to offset the year to date, which is still down by 10.5%. When we look at new listings, we continue to lag. We are down 33.25% for the month of May, and year to date 26.39%. And how many listings does that mean? Currently, year to date, we have brought about 1,517 new listings to the marketplace, and that is down 26%, and that equals 2,016 listings we had brought to market so far year to date last year at the same time. Average listing price, $244,294, which is up from $225,000 last year, which is 7.82%. So that average listing price is still up, which guess what? The average selling price is still up too, and it is up about 2% from $224,000 up from $219,000 last year. Our average days on market continues to go down by 14%, and our month's supply of inventory is still down 4.04 months compared to 5 last year. Then this last month, I took a deep dive into on-water and off-water properties, especially as we get into that summer market, because this is where we see a lot of the waterfront buyers wanting to come out and take a look at properties, but we also have seen a huge increase in price in off-water listings as well. When we look at off-water properties, closed sales continue to be down. Year to date, they're down by 17.25%, which means in numbers, 686 year to date off-water sales compared to 829 last year. Pending sales is up by 2%. Not the 30% that we see through the entire MLS, but only 2% in the off-water market, which makes sense if you think about it. People buy off-water homes year-round. New listings continue to be down by 18% in this market segment, which equals about 941 homes year-to-date compared to 1,150 last year. Average list price is up 13%. Average selling price is up 10%, so we're seeing about that 3% negotiation. Days on market is down by 10%, and month supply of inventory is down as well by about 33%. Now let's take a look at the on-water homes. Closed sales are also down year to date, but by 42%. So if you look at the average year to date, 42%, this is the market segment hardest hit, which equals 301 homes compared to 514 year to date last year, which is pretty significant. Pending sales are up by 30%, which equals 397 year to date homes compared to 562 last year. New listings are down by 37%, which again is a huge number. We had 523 new waterfront listings so far year to date compared to 832 last year. Average listing price is up by 21%, which is again very significant. Average selling price is up by 13%. So look at that 7% of negotiation compared to the 2% you saw in the off-water market. Average selling price continues to be up by 12%. Days on market down by 20%, and the month supply of inventory is also down by 10%. So there's a little break for you in what is happening year to date in our current real estate market in the beautiful Northwoods of Wisconsin. And as always, if there's a market segment that you're super curious about, like what's happening with your home or your property, just give me a call. I love to do a deep dive into the numbers. And I look forward to seeing you soon in the beautiful Northwoods of Wisconsin.